I heard you like me Krabby Patties. This is not Mr. Krab here. This is Ricky Krab. I'm going to show you how I make me Krabby Patties. Today I learned something disappointing. That Mr. Krab's patties are made from frozen hamburgers. Look it up. All these years I've been watching them Krabby Patties thinking, there's some good fish there or something, you know, some crab. Anyway, today I learned. Because again, my buddy John told me to make the Krabby Patties. So I looked it up on the internet. Frozen hamburgers, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, secret sauce. We're calling it tartar sauce. And I didn't want to make frozen hamburgers. So, look what I got. Mrs. Paul's to the rescue. Got a hot griddle going back there. Got SpongeBob's second favorite spatula. Spatula number 2. We can get going, right? And then we were thinking, maybe Mr. Krab doesn't like making crab cakes because he'd be like a cannibal, you know? There we go. There we go, hunk of lemon there. We don't want no lemons. Oh! I expected they'd be a little bigger. Oh well. We're frying them up anyway. They gotta be good. Got a hot West End griddle here. West End. Are you watching me? You know SpongeBob makes 7 cents an hour? Squidward always wants to know who had overtime that week. Anyway. I'm hungry. It's time to eat. Let you sizzle up a little bit and I'll be back, right? Where's my order? Did you look under the plate? Oh. Ten minutes later. The time has come. More Krabby Patties coming up. Real Krabby Patties. From Ricky Krab. First, some secret sauce on the bottom. Then, me Krabby Patty. Then, me second Krabby Patty. I'm hungry. Turn it in the grill. Honey. And I got a picture of how it should be assembled. We'll see if it looks like this at the end. First, he has a frozen hamburger. Remember, crabs don't eat crabs. Piece of cheese. Slice of cheese. Pickles. Pickles. Small slice of onion. Tomatoes. And lettuce. Let us not forget. More secret sauce. And voila, we have my version of a Krabby Patty. Mr. Krab also uses ketchup and mustard because he's actually making a hamburger. Okay? Remember, I was disappointed by that. But we kind of figured out why. Now, hope that plankton stays away from here. Ah, yeah. Let's see. Oh! I lost my head. Hang on. They're slippery. They're slippery underwater. Let's see. I can make it look like the picture. This similar to the picture? Eh. That tastes better than his though, huh? Woo! Oh! Are you kidding me? Where's me napkins? So that's me version of the Krabby Patty. Made on Earth, not under the sea. Using real crab. Mrs. Paul's crab cakes. It's good. I'm glad I left off the ketchup and mustard. Mmm. Mmm. I didn't mean to do that. Yes, I did. I always wondered why a fast food restaurant like, I don't know, Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, you know, they have fish fillet sandwiches. Why didn't they call it a Krabby Patty for a couple weeks, you know? A lot of kids be eating fish sandwiches then. Maybe. Gimmick, you know? Anyway, it's still smoking hot, and my grill's still sizzling back there. Where's my spatula? I gotta eat some more. Yeah. Alright, thanks for stopping. And thanks again for the idea. Please subscribe for more interesting foods and whatnots. It's delicious. Try it. It's easy. Or make it with a hamburger. Call it a Krabby Patty. Look it up. That's how he makes it. Alright, thanks for watching.